Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cooking cubed chicken is super versatile and quick, making it perfect for those busy weeknights. First, ensure your chicken is fresh and cut into even, 1-inch pieces. This consistency truly helps everything cook evenly. Remember to always pat the chicken dry thoroughly with paper towels before seasoning. That small, simple step makes a huge difference in achieving a beautiful, golden brown sear later on. Now for the flavor. Don't forget to generously season your chicken with salt and freshly ground black pepper first. Then, add your favorite herbs and spices like garlic powder, paprika, or Italian seasoning for that extra kick. Make sure to toss it all together really well, ensuring every single piece is beautifully coated. This simple step locks in so much deliciousness. One of the quickest ways to cook cubed chicken is pan frying. Heat a tablespoon of oil, like olive or avocado oil, in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Then, cook your chicken in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. This helps get that lovely golden brown crust. Flip occasionally, cooking until each piece is beautifully browned and cooked completely through, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. For a more hands-off approach, baking cubed chicken is fantastic. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the seasoned chicken in a single layer on a baking sheet, making sure not to pile it up. Then, bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. This method keeps your chicken incredibly juicy and tender. Cooked cubed chicken is incredibly versatile, ready to elevate so many meals. Toss it into a quick stir-fry with your favorite vegetables, or add it to a fresh, vibrant salad for a complete meal. It also works wonderfully mixed into pasta, rice, or even tucked into a wrap. With so many ways to enjoy it, this simple protein can be a star in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.